Saturday.
Non c'è niente.
No, troppo.
Perché non hai aperto? Cosa fai? Io voglio mangiare. Non è vero, non è stato fan. Comunque sto solito.
Hey, wait, let me just fix this. Okay. It's been a while. Okay, it's actually been a while. Okay, so November has been really interesting so far. Sorry for like me not uploading for like a month. I was like, I don't know. I wanted to like be a lot more consistent with uploads because like I was like, you know, now I just got in like a very nice mood and I just finally figured out a balance to like actually make videos and film stuff and doing my schoolwork. No, that's not gonna happen. That just didn't happen at all. Because November was like honestly a roller coaster, like between highs and lows. I was just like very much just not feeling great, you know? Okay, so let's start from the beginning. I had like some plans that fell through, so I was feeling a little bit dejected. Is that a word? I think it is. I don't know. I was just feeling a little bit dejected because, you know, it's not nice when plans fall through. Then I fell sick for like a week or like a week and a half. I'm a little bit congested still. I don't know if you can see that. My nose is kind of red. Yeah, I kind of like, oh my god, I felt so sick. It was actually so embarrassing because like the week before I filmed the video and I was like, oh my god, I'm just going to like try and feel my best this winter because I don't want to fall and spiral into like, that's low-key exactly what happened because I felt sick and I was just like at home constantly. Made my brain just like spiral quite a bit. Also like about my schoolwork, I just kind of like burned out a little bit because I realized that I have so much stuff to do and just like, you know, being in university and just kind of like facing the struggles of being like a student in my last year. I'm not dealing with it amazingly, but you know what? It's whatever, you know, it's life, so I'll just deal with it. And I have exams in like 3 weeks. And in 3 days, it's my birthday. How fun. Do you like the outfit, by the way? This is like a new cardigan that like I got from a friend of mine. She doesn't use it anymore, so she gave it to me and it fits me. So that's nice. And I feel like it just fits like the vibe, you know? Okay, but we have like something else that is kind of like exciting to talk about. So I guess we can low-key just dive right in because, we're going somewhere. I'm going on a trip and this is so exciting. I'm so excited for this and we're gonna pack a little bit together because yeah, why not? That's kind of fun. I'm going to visit a friend of mine in Stockholm. We're going back to Stockholm and the fact that this is like a full circle moment because like I left in January and now like I'm going back for my birthday and I just feel like this is gonna be so much fun. Also a little bit sad because like I'm gonna be there and my friends are not gonna be there, so it's just gonna be a little bit, I don't know, I'm just gonna feel a little bit nostalgic because that's me. I just feel nostalgic for like everything, so whatever. But I'm visiting a friend and I'm probably gonna meet up with like a few more people that I met when I was there on exchange. Because yeah, I went on exchange in Sweden, for those of you who just met me. Hey. Yeah. So yeah, we're going back to Sweden. How insanely fun that is. And we need to pack because the temperatures are freezing. And we need to talk about winter clothes. Of course. So, okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna bring. I don't know if I'm gonna bring everything, but like part of it, probably, for sure. So, wait. This is somewhat everything that I'm going to pack. It's going to be very cold. I think it's going to be like -6 or something. Like I checked the temperature yesterday and it's like freezing cold. So I'm going to bring like a thermal for my legs and 2 thermals for like just, you know, up. These are the ones from Uniqlo that I got when I was there. And they're so warm. I've been using them here too because like they're honestly just great long sleeves. They're so good. And I have like a white one that now turned low-key gray because I washed it with this one, and a black one, so whatever. Plus very heavy socks. Sweaters. This is a big deal to me because I really don't know. I think I'm going to bring this one, my Muji sweater that I got like last year, I think. And this is like super thick. I love this sweater so much. It's like my favorite sweater ever. And I can kind of match it with everything that I own, like color wise. These are 2 turtlenecks that I've started to use this fall. And I have to say, I really like layering this year. I don't know. I didn't really layer last year, I guess. I was just like throwing on a sweater. But this, I'm going to wear these with my thermals underneath and this on top. And this is actually my dad's. Like I just like to get stuff for free from like people that I know. My dad or friends. This one instead is my mom's. How funny is that? And oh my god, it's so wrinkled. I'm going to like, yeah. But yeah, I'm going to bring this one so I can layer it on top of like the black thermal. Because yeah, makes sense. I'm bringing this one that is like my tiny luggage. Doesn't look that tiny, but it's actually really tiny. Plus my backpack that is somewhere here. I was actually supposed to bring this one only, but then I was like, y'all remember Vienna, right?
Ciao. Anyway, so
Oh my god, packing for like 5 days, I don't know. And bringing only this one was honestly a mess. I could not fit anything in there. And I went in the summer. And in the summer, you have like, I don't know, thinner clothes, light layers. Here, I'm going to bring a sweater. I'm going to bring my scarf that is also massive. It's -6. I need a thick scarf. This one is my red one from like H&M. I got it like a bunch of years ago, I think. I love it. It's so nice. It's so warm too. And it goes with everything, you know. It's just, you know, Bordeaux. So, trousers. So, elegant trousers, because, yeah, sweatpants, jeans. Sweatpants are going to work as a pajama too. Plus my, just like, this shirt that I have that I love so much. Leg warmers that could also work as arm warmers eventually. I really don't know. Probably gloves, because I really hope that it's going to snow, and if it is, I kind of want to be prepared. But also I'm not like, I don't like gloves. I just feel like I always have my phone in my hand, and maybe that's not like a great thing, but I just know that I do. So I mean, so to go out, maybe like, you know, Saturday night or Sunday night or Monday night or wherever I have to go out, I'm going to bring 2 tops. I know that I need only one, but the thing is, this one is a little bit more summery. I was wearing this like in the last video and it's very light, so that's why I'm also bringing this one. It's a long sleeve and it's kind of really tight. I got it thrifted in Stockholm. If y'all could see the pile of clothes that I have here. This is where I'm going to put my toiletries and just like skincare for like 4 days. I have like a bunch of stuff in my bathroom that you really don't need to see. Like it's just like tiny shampoo bottles and tiny shaving cream and my razor, and I'm thinking about something. Oh, it was right here. That's so funny. Of course, I'm not gonna bring only sweaters, but I'm bringing also a coat. Whatever. Construction going on outside. I hate that. But this is like my just bomber jacket, the classic North Face bomber jacket that I was wearing. This winter, this spring in Stockholm, and it's just like really warm. And I'm thinking of bringing this one or my coat that is hanging over there like a presence. It's kind of scary if you look at it. Like imagine me at night sleeping on this side waking up and seeing that, that's kind of scary. Yeah, I'm just thinking, do I want to be practical or do I want to be stylish, I guess, if you want to call it like that, I guess. Okay, one more thing that I need to show you. I love these boots so much. These are my Dr. Martens boots that I got last year, actually, like to go to Stockholm, and I got them thrifted for half the price. They were pretty expensive, but they are really warm, and I'm wearing these even though it's not snowing at all here. Kind of never snows where I live. I know that's kind of like stupid of me, but I got like, actually they are my size. They are supposed to be my size, but since I thrifted them online, I just got them delivered, and when I saw them, I was like, I immediately fell in love with them, loved them so much. But then they're just like very large over here, so your foot kind of like moves around a little bit, so I had to like stuff them with stuff. Anyway, this was like kind of a fast video. I filmed this kind of in a rush. I'm not rushing anywhere, but I just need to like get a bunch of like stuff for school done. So I kind of need to go, but it was really nice talking to you guys again. I'm sorry for like the whole absence thing, but you're going to get a Stockholm vlog. You're going to get another Stockholm vlog. I'm so excited for this. And my friends are excited too, I think. I don't know which one of them actually watch my videos, but that would be like fun for them to see me in Stockholm, I guess. Oh, it's gonna be so fun, but also kind of sad, I guess. Also, you guys want to see my socks? They're so cute. They're like Grinch socks. Aren't they really cute? I love them. So yeah, this is basically it, and I really don't know what I'm going to be able to edit this. I really don't have time to, but I will try my best to, you know, put it out before December. Hopefully. So next video is going to be me in Stockholm. This is like the final message of the video, just like take care of yourself. Even though I had all these resolutions for the season, I feel like I ended up spiraling a little bit, but you know, sometimes you just need to clock out for a second and, you know, wallow and just try to like feel better, you know, do things that you love, that make you feel better. Anyway. Bye guys, it was so nice talking to you. It's the midnight sun, kiss get under the wrist. I actually don't know the words. Lay on your chest like this. Put me like them. And summer isn't over yet. Okay.